Hello everybody, my name is Shkala Fari Belhaj. I am a PhD student from Montour University, Constantine, Algeria. I have the honor to present my paper which is entitled Proposed Simulator for Testing MPPT Techniques for Photovoltaic Systems. The rest of this presentation is organized as follows, starting by introduction, then we will describe the method and materials used to solve the problematics. The performance of simulator is illustrated in the result section. Finally, conclusion. The main idea of this work is achieving the maximum power point of solar cell system after using the peak power tracking algorithms. But a real photovoltaic systems testing has many disadvantages. It is expensive and dependent on the weather. For this reason, the MPPT simulator of PV system is the best substitute to test the peak power techniques of the PV systems. Furthermore, the researchers have the choice to test MPPT techniques in all critical situations and allows to impose all the temporal variation. The simulator of peak power tracking system is proposed to design a maximum power point tracking techniques for photovoltaic systems. The proposed simulator has the same role as the MPPT card and thus will fully simulate the response of a real MPPT card. A complete simulator of the proposed MPPT card realized by ISIS Proteus capable to test the robustness of the whole MPPT techniques and to see the system behavior in different critical situations, such as rapid varying of solar irradiation levels. The model of simulator in ISIS Proteus consists of PV panel model, DC-DC converter, microcontroller with numerical control MPP technique, voltage and current sensor. A photovoltaic panel is a series and or parallel combination of several photovoltaic cells that directly convert sunlight into electricity. The main parameter of the used PV model isophone E75 are presented in Table 1. Figure 2 illustrates the simulated EV curve of the PV model isophone E75 based on data of Table 1. The second element of the simulator is the buck-boost converter, which is depicted in Figure 3. To acquire the extreme output, the MPPT is employed for extracting extreme power throughout PV model and to transfer the power to attached load. A maximum power can be transferred from PV panel to load by using DC-DC converter. The microcontroller has the role of controlling the DC-DC converter to optimize the correspondence between the PV panels and the load. The microcontroller used in the simulator is PIC16F876A. The choice of this PIC was based on its high performance, flexibility, and low cost. The voltage sensor used for this purpose to send the corresponding signal of the PV panel output voltage to the microcontroller. The current sensor is placed in series between the solar panel and the DC-DC converter. In this diagram shows the manner how the all elements are connected in the simulator. In the microcontroller, using the C language, there are several MPPT algorithms such as P&O, incremental contact, fuzzy logic, the artificial neural network, etc. Both P&O standard and P&O adaptive are implemented. The state of the system, which describes the performance of the simulator, can be analyzed from the LCD grid. From Figure 7, we distinguish two phases. The first presents transitional regime, where we observe that adaptive P&O stabilizes quickly than conventional P&O. In the steady state, we notice that the adaptive P&O has less oscillation around the maximum current. Same observation for Cherokee voltage. Figure 9 presents Cherokee power. P&O method with fixed step size suffer from an inherent Cherokee oscillation trade-off problem. The oscillation is highly undesirable as the result is significant energy loss. P&O adaptive is used to solve the P&O drawbacks where the technique is faster, more precise, and low oscillation around the peak power point. Table 2 presents electrical measurement. The microcontroller takes the voltage and current output from the PV module and determines the maximum power point of the PV module. The adjusted voltage and current output of the MPPT charge the power supply. Conclusion. The main objective of the project is to design and develop maximum power tracker for solar module using microcontroller. In the study, we have designed a software system using microcontroller. Complete code of MPPT algorithms has been written. The performance of the developed system has been studied. The proposed simulator gives a proper idea on the code and circuit before implementing on hardware. Reference. Thank you for your attention.